All right, y'all, welcome back to another episode of the Reese Show. I know this a whole total different video, but you know, if you look down in my description somewhere, hey, my introduction or whatever, I tell you, be in my kitchen from time to time. Okay, so I just want to come and share with y'all this here piece of fruit. I know you're probably wondering, like, what in the world is that on this child's countertop? Okay, this here, my dears, is called a jackfruit. But when I tell y'all this stuff is so good and fruity and delicious, I'm telling you, you know, you don't have to be giving them little babies, them little sweet, what you call them things, fruit rollers with all that old sugar and stuff in. A lot of that stuff, y'all, is just processed. It's just not good. Be giving them babies that. Well, I'm not going to tell you that, because you give your baby what you want to give your baby. I mean, you know, I don't want nobody come from me talking about, you don't tell me what to give my baby. And, you know, hey, you. But look at here. You take a piece of this here, cut it open, slap some of this in that baby mouth. That baby will love you forever. Anyway, look, feed some of this to your children. So I might be in the way of this camera a bit, but just give me a minute. I'm going to try and work something out here. All right, so I'm going to go on and get Jackie boy cut open here and show y'all how we eat him. Here is the outside of it. This is a shell. You eat none of this here, okay? This here is the part that you eat right here, okay? And what you do is, what I do is, I get a spoon. And these here, these are the seeds. Now, you can also boil these seeds, and I even hear you can fry them and eat them. I have never tried that, but you know, maybe one day I may. I don't know. And I'm going to pull. This here's the little brain of this. This here's the little part that the seed be attached to. The little part be attached in the middle that the seed grow into, okay? So what I do is I normally get a spoon and scoop it out. But I got this knife right here just to show you how I get these pieces out, okay? Well, this is not normally how I get it out, but I just got this knife right here. I'm going to show you how to do it with a spoon too. But I just want to get it out just to show you. So this here, my dears, is the piece of jackfruit right here. You can take all of this here off, okay? So just keep in mind when you buy one of these, if you want to try one of these, which I really do highly recommend. Slap some in my mouth right now. I'm sorry. But anyway, oh, it's so good. Whew. It's sweet. Now let me tell you something. Keep in mind, the more orange and yellow it is, the more sweeter it is, okay? And the more lighter the color is, the more bitter it's going to taste. And I'm not sure how the vegans make their ribs out of these, but me and my husband, we just eat this here as fruit, and it's so delicious. Gotta take me another bite. I'm sorry. Anyway, all on camera, huh, Reese? Wait a minute, hold on, y'all. Jesus, so good. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna get this thing. I'm gonna show y'all how I cut it. What I do is I trim this here. You gotta be careful trimming it too. Trim the edges off, because you don't want to cut your fruit. You want to cut all off your fruit. But I trim this here off like that, okay? I trim all this here. I trim the edges off, and then what I do is I get me a spoon. Child, where's my spoon? I'm going to draw me a spoon. So after I try and cut as much as this off, and I'm sorry if I'm all in the camera. I'm just trying to show y'all how I do this here. So, and this thing right here is so full of fruit. It is so full of fruit. I'm going to try and show y'all how many pieces. It's not just like right here on the top. So look, this is what I do too. I take this here and I cut this here off. This here is like the, I don't know, center part of it. And you have to be careful cutting this here too, because you don't want to mess around and cut yourself. Okay? So I cut all the way around here. I know it looks creepy, but baby, when I tell you this sucker is so good, it is so good. Okay. All right. See, a lot of times this here be really, really hard to get out. So what I do is I cut around here just to make it easier for me to get my pieces off around the edge. Okay. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. See how this one is just coming straight out with my thumb? Take that out like that. Okay. And I pull these here off like that. Okay. And then I peel the seed off like that. Okay. Then I go to the next one here. okay? And I pull it out like this. Take a little time to get them out, but I'm telling y'all, when I tell y'all you reap the benefits of this here, and not only is it so good for you, y'all, give you energy, it makes you feel so good inside. Your whole body feels so yummy, yummy inside. And I take that and I cut that off. And be careful, like I said, you don't want to cut too much of your fruit off because you just don't want to do that. Anyway, so I peels all of this off, okay? Like that. Peel all of that off. All the white parts, because I'm pretty sure no, I ain't gonna tell you can eat that. You cannot eat that. That's bitter. See, like that. I popped that in my mouth. I'm sorry. So then I take this here piece off like this here, and I just pull the white part off like that. See? And then you can take your finger, you can crack it open to grab that seed out. And I don't know if I mentioned this or not, but you can eat these seeds. You can boil them or you can fry them or do whatever. I have not done that. I'm not sure how it would taste, but I heard you can do that. And I pull this here part out that the seed grows in, the skin of the seed. I don't know how that tastes either. I'm sure it's edible, but I'm not gonna pop that in my mouth to try it because I don't know if it's a bitter taste to it, and I don't have time to be trying to spit nothing out. You know, like, what you doing over there? All of this is edible. See, like this here, I was about to toss this, but I'm not tossing this. It's edible. Oh, look at that. Oh, see how orange it is? Pretty. Tastes so good. It tastes just like a mango. Just like a good old juicy mango. Well, I can't say mango because mango have a total different taste, but it's so sweet. You know, it's really sweet, and it's really, really good. I can't really describe the taste. And I go in it. Can y'all see me? I hope I'm not too much in the way here. But I get my spoon and I go in it and I dig in it like that. Now, you may not pull them out perfectly all the time, but sometimes you will. Sometimes you won't. But just get your fruit up out of there. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Y'all got little kids around there? Try it. I'm telling you. Slap some of this in their mouth. Put all that candy and stuff in their mouth. Nope. Forget all that. And I ain't gonna, like I say, I'm not gonna knock fruit snacks and all that good stuff, but this here right here, this would be the best fruit snack in the world for them kids. Slap a piece of that in them cheering mouth, they'll love you forever. And this thing here, this here half, I can't tell you how much it costs because I sent my husband to go get it, but you find them at the fruit market. And yeah, see, take that little piece off. You find them in the fruit market. They come whole, but we buy them half because it's just me and my husband. And then, you know, one of the grandkids come over, we slap some of them in their mouth. Get them something to eat on instead of always talking. Anyway, see that? Beautiful, beautiful, and so sweet, y'all. Oh, it's so sweet and good. Now, I'm assuming you can buy these here in a can, but I don't know how fresh they are in a can. I just prefer fresh everything. Yeah, it's me. Let me wash my hands. And the reason I wear gloves when I do this is because it can get very sticky, okay? And when I say very sticky, try it without gloves. You'll see what I'm talking about. But that's just the natural syrups from the fruit. Pull that off. Put it on in there, and there you go. Now I'm gonna try and get on down to the rooter, to the tutor of this thing here to show y'all. It's fruit all back up in there, all down up in there. Like when I get these pieces out, I'm gonna show y'all how much fruit is in this thing, because like you would see this and be like, I want more than what? How many pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I want more than 10 pieces, honey. This thing probably got like 50 some pieces in here. Yep. y'all, this is the end of old Jackie boy here after getting all the fruit out. Now these here are not all the seeds that came out of this. This is just half of the seeds that came out. I just put them over here. This here is a supernatural food. Okay? You will reap the benefits out of this fruit. You will love it. You will love it. You will love it. Okay. Now it take a little time to cut open, but it's still well worth it though. On with healthy living. Big hugs and many blessings to you all. And before I close out this video, I just want to say, do me a favor. Share this video. If you like this video, thumbs it up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. I love to have you and my family over here tripping out with me and Grandma Rissy. Yeah. All right, y'all. So that's my time. I'm going to get on up out of here. All right.